So if you've ever left your keys in a car, I'm going to show you how to unlock your car without using keys. If you ever locked your keys in the car and you want to ever get them out, these simple tools will help to get into any car you need. So first, we're going to use a wedge to get in here. Try not to scratch anything up. I'm going in on the passenger side because this is the preference. I'm just trying to make a little bit of space to get this bag in here. I'm going to put another bag here so you can see the bags in there. All I'm going to do is inflate with air. This is going to hold the door in place. And you don't want to crack the glass or anything, so just be careful. Just trying to get enough room back in here where I can come in with a wire and get to the door lock. Now you can see I have a gap in the door where I can fit something in here. I'm going to try to come down there and just hit the lock or the unlock to unlock the car. I'm going to assemble these. So now we have a hook on the end so it can come into the car at an angle, and then we have our handle over here, so this is plenty long enough to get in. So I'm going to snake this in. I'm going to show you how this is set up. So I have the two bags, one on top, one on the side. Gives me room to get in behind the car door. And if you can see down in there, so you really have three options. The first one that's probably pretty easy is come in here and just kind of swipe to the left, pull it back, and you got that lock. Now it's unlocked. I'll lock that again. The other option you have is you can take and pull the handle. As you can see, that unlocked that as well. And then we can lock that again. And your other option, if you can apply enough force to it, you can just push down on the unlock button until that unlocks. And those are really your three options of how to unlock this car pretty easily. And now that we have it unlocked, I would suggest deflating the little airbags that we have in the door, and then we can open the door. As you can see, the car is unlocked. So now I can go in and get my keys. A word of advice, I'd probably release the pressure of this after unlocking the car door before opening the car door, as that can give you some resistance. The other thing to note is your door may have a little bit of it not being flush after you open the car in this way if you pry it open too far. So one of the things that you could do to fix that is after you pry the car open, you're basically just going to bend back towards the car so that when it sits more flush. It's also why I tend to like to go on the passenger side of a car when trying to unlock a car rather than the driver's side, being the driver's side is going to be used most often and the passenger side is used less. So that's how you unlock a car without using your keys. Please subscribe and give me a like. Alright, well thank you for watching and have a great day.